Myself Preeti Singh. Today I am going to explain you class 12th geography chapter 6 water resources. Water resources is a renewable resource which is renewed by the process of hydrological cycle. Water is an invaluable natural resource for us. It sustains life on the earth. There could be no life had there been no water on the earth. In fact, Earth is the only planet in the entire solar system which supports life because it contains water. However, it is the fresh water which is more useful. Definition of water resources. Water resources are sources of water that are useful or potentially useful to humans. There are different kinds of purposes which is fulfilled by the demand of water like agriculture, industrial, household needs, environmental activities, etc. Distribution of water resources. Earth's water. 97% of Earth's water are saline. Only 3% of water is considered to be as fresh water. Fresh water. The fresh water available in like groundwater. Groundwater contains 30.1%. Ice cap and glacier contains 68.7%. Others 0.9%. Surface water 0.3%. Fresh surface water. Rivers 2%, swamps 11%, lakes 87%. Water is a cyclic resource with abundant supplies on the globe. Approximately 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with it, but fresh water constitutes only about 3% of the total water. In fact, a very small proportion of fresh water is effectively available for human use. The availability of fresh water varies over space and time. The tensions and disputes on sharing and control of this scarce resource are becoming contested issues among communities, regions, and states. Demand of water is increasing rapidly with the increase of population. As against this, the supply of usable water is limited. Even this limited supply can be depleted or made unusable by excessive utilization, pollution, or careless management. Water resources of India. India occupies only 2.45% of the world's surface area and is the home of over 16% of the world's population. As against this, India has only 4% of the world's water resources. The total water available from precipitation in the country in a year is about 4,000 cubic kilometer. The availability from surface water and replenishable groundwater is 1869 cubic kilometer. Out of this, only 60% can be put to be beneficial uses. Sources of water resources. First, surface water resources. Surface water is available to us in the form of rivers, lakes, tanks, ponds, and other water bodies. Rivers contain water from rainfall or from snow melt. Rivers constitute the most important source of surface water in India. The country there are about 10,360 rivers and their tributaries longer than 1.6 km each. Water flow in a river depends on size of its catchment area or river basins and rainfall within its catchment area. There are three important North Indian rivers are the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the Indus, carry nearly 60% of the total surface water of India. It is worth mentioning that the Brahmaputra and the Ganga are world's 8th and 10th largest respectively. The total flow of all rivers of India is about 6% of the discharge of all rivers in the world. Second is groundwater resources. The total replenishable groundwater resources in the country are about 432 cubic kilometer. A part of rain water percolates in the ground through joints and cracks in the rocks and is known as groundwater. About 60% of the groundwater is confined to the upper layer of the soil and is very useful for agricultural crops. The remaining water goes deeper into the ground. This water is taken out by the digging wells. The groundwater utilization is very high in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu. However, there are states like Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Kerala, etc., which utilize only a small proportion of their groundwater potential. Third is lagoons and backwaters. India has a vast coastline. The coast is very indented in some states. Due to this, a number of lakes and lagoons have formed. The states like Kerala, Odisha and West Bengal have vast surface water resources. In these lagoons and lakes, water is generally brackish in these water bodies. It is used for fishing and irrigating certain varieties of paddy crops, coconut, etc.